Ingredients: 500 grams boneless chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 cup plain yogurt. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 onion, chopped. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. 1 cup tomato puree. 1 cup heavy cream. Salt to taste. Fresh coriander leaves, chopped, for garnish. Instructions: in a bowl, whisk together the yogurt and lemon juice. Add the chicken pieces to the bowl and toss until well coated. Set aside for 30 minutes. In a large saucepan or Dutch oven, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Add the minced garlic and ginger paste to the pan and cook for another minute. Add the cumin, coriander, turmeric, paprika, and cayenne pepper to the pan and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Add the tomato puree to the pan and stir well. Simmer for 5 minutes. Add the marinated chicken and any remaining yogurt marinade to the pan. Stir well and bring the mixture to a simmer. Cover the pan and cook for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through. Stir in the heavy cream and cook for another 5 minutes. Add salt to taste. Serve the butter chicken hot, garnished with chopped fresh coriander leaves. Enjoy with rice or naan bread.